So we're going to start a new project today, which is installing this click-lock laminate flooring. This one says 2003. So now that everything's prepped, I'm going to start finishing the flooring out. I set this first piece here and clicked it into the previous piece. Now I need to cut this piece that goes in here. So doing that just basically gives me a rough idea of the size of the piece I need. So I can cut it out, and then I'll go back and install this piece, and then click this piece in to finish it out. And I'll just kind of do that and step my way down to get the first row done. Now, there's a closet over here in the distance behind the camera, and when I get to that, obviously, I won't have to rip that notch out. It'll be a notch, I guess. It won't be just a clean rip. So I'll notch that, and it'll slip into the door jamb, and then I'll just essentially reverse it, just like I did over here in this closet. It'll just be on a bigger scale. Now we'll just keep stepping our way over to the side. Good. Looks pretty damn good. So it's too hard to shoot in this closet. So here you can see everything's finished, and I've got all the base installed and the quarter round throughout the entire room. So just like the other rooms, everything is painted. Then we got stain match quarter round. So once I put these last 2 screws in the transition, everything will be wrapped up. I've got all the base molding in. It's quarter rounded with stain match quarter round. And I've got transitions here and at this doorway. So I hope you found this enjoyable to watch and maybe a little educational. I hope to see you next time on the next project. I'll see you then.